In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on your 2011 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata. So let's get started. Open the passenger side door. Now we got to open up the glove box. We got to take the glove box off. So that clip over there, twist it left, it comes right out. Keep it somewhere safe. Now push the glove box in a little bit and then take the other clip off as well. And now on the side over here, there's a dampener arm. We're going to pull that arm off the glove box. Okay, so now the glove box is out of the way. Now, you see that black cover over there? It's held on by one clip. Okay, so we're just going to squeeze on the clip over there and pull the cover off like that. All right, now once the cover is out of the way, that right there is the filter. So that's a clean filter. I just put that filter in a couple days ago. So when we take it out, you'll see that it's pretty clean. So just be careful with the filter. Pull it out gently. Now let's take a look at it. See how it's nice and clean? That's what the dirty filter looked like. That looked filthy. It had like bugs and leaves and I don't know, all sorts of contaminants, which you would have been breathing if you did not have a filter in your car. So now that you see it, go out there and get a new filter. Now once you get the new filter, it's going to have an arrow on it showing what the airflow is supposed to be like on the filter. In this car, the airflow goes from top to bottom. So make sure you position the filter accordingly. And then slide the new filter inside there. Be patient with it, slide it in slow. Make sure it's all the way in. It should be a snug fit. Now let's get that black cover and put it back on. Make sure it's in that support over there on the side. Press the clip, locked, done. All right, now we gotta put the glove box. Now we gotta put the glove box back on. So first off, we'll put that dampener arm on. It's gonna give us some support. Align the clip with the cutout in the glove box over there. Put it in, twist it right, half turn, twist it right, quarter turn, done. Again, let's do the same thing for the other side of the clip. Put the clip in there, twist it right, quarter turn, and that's it, you're done. Let's close the glove box.